Prepare to be astounded and perhaps a little unnerved as we delve into a collection of photographs that have left both the public and scientific communities scratching their heads in disbelief. From baffling instances that seem to defy the very laws of physics, to mind-boggling cases of spontaneous combustion, these images represent the uncharted territories of our understanding. Despite thorough analysis and numerous attempts at debunking, these phenomena continue to elude explanation, serving as a stark reminder that our universe is still full of hidden mysteries waiting to be uncovered. So brace yourselves, as we embark on a journey through the most mystifying photos that have sent shivers down the spine of an entire world and left scientists utterly perplexed. Number 1. The Rll Manor Photo. Diving straight into the heart of one of the most enigmatic images to ever circulate within the UFO enthusiast community, the Rll Manor photograph stands as a testament to decades of speculation, intrigue, and endless debate. Captured in the 1960s, this photograph presents us with a visual enigma, a saucer-shaped object, seemingly suspended in mid-air, encircled by military personnel within the confines of a spacious aircraft hangar. Rll Manor, the British military base in Wiltshire, England, where this mysterious event was captured, has long been shrouded in whispers of UFO investigations and clandestine operations. The manor's storied past in military and intelligence endeavors only adds fuel to the fiery debates surrounding this photograph. But what truly lies at the core of this photograph? Is it tangible proof of governmental encounters with extraterrestrial technology, as avid UFO believers and conspiracy theorists have long proclaimed? They argue that this image serves as irrefutable evidence of a covert operation, a slice of hidden truth inadvertently exposed to the public eye. On the flip side of the coin, skeptics present a variety of alternative explanations. Could this photograph be nothing more than an elaborate hoax, a misinterpreted image of a conventional aircraft, or perhaps even a staged training scenario? The ambiguity surrounding the photograph's origins and the absence of any official confirmation have only deepened the layers of mystery and left us with more questions than answers. As we navigate through the intricate web of possibilities and theories, one thing remains clear. The Rll Manor photograph continues to captivate and perplex, challenging our perceptions and leaving a lingering sense of wonder in its wake. Whether it's a glimpse into covert operations or a skillfully crafted deception, this image undeniably holds a special place in the annals of UFO folklore and continues to ignite imaginations and debates across the globe. Number 2. The Hopkinsville Alien Encounter. Delving into the heart of one of history's most captivating and debated UFO incidents, we find ourselves in rural Kentucky, back on a fateful night in August 1955. This is the story of the Hopkinsville Alien Encounter, also known as the Kelly Green Men case, a tale that has etched its name in the annals of UFO folklore. On this seemingly ordinary night, a local family, residing peacefully in their farmhouse near Kelly, found themselves thrust into an extraordinary situation. They reported witnessing mysterious lights darting across the sky, accompanied by a cacophony of strange, inexplicable sounds. As the night unfolded, the family recounted a series of surreal events that would leave a lasting impact on their lives and the UFO community. Describing small, silver-suited beings with disproportionately large heads and luminescent eyes, the family claimed to have engaged in a terrifying standoff. Armed and frightened, they fired their guns at these bizarre creatures, only to find that their bullets seemed to leave no impact. This harrowing account quickly caught the attention of media outlets and law enforcement, propelling the Hopkinsville encounter into the national spotlight. Skeptics were quick to propose alternative explanations, suggesting that perhaps alcohol had clouded the witnesses' judgment, or that common wildlife had been misidentified in the heat of the moment. Despite thorough investigations, no tangible evidence was found to either confirm or deny the family's account, leaving the incident shrouded in mystery. To this day, the Hopkinsville encounter continues to be a topic of fervent discussion and speculation. Some view it as a genuine close encounter, a brief but profound glimpse into the unknown. Others maintain a more skeptical stance, questioning the veracity of the family's story. What remains undeniable, however, is the incident's profound impact on UFO culture and lore. It has inspired numerous books, documentaries, and discussions, ensuring that the story of that mysterious night in Kentucky continues to captivate and confound. Whether believer or skeptic, one cannot help but be drawn to this intriguing chapter in the search for answers to the unknown and the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial life. Number 3. The Maree Man. Stepping into the heart of Australia's vast and arid outback, we find ourselves confronted with a perplexing enigma etched into the earth, the Maree Man, also known to some as Stewart's Giant or the Marie Hotel Man. This colossal geoglyph, discovered in 1998 near the town of Maree in South Australia, presents an intriguing puzzle wrapped in mystery and untouched by time. Spanning an impressive 2.2 miles in length, the Maree Man depicts the figure of an indigenous Australian, poised and holding what appears to be a throwing stick or boomerang. What is truly astounding about this geoglyph is not just its size, but the precision and intricacy of its design, attributes that become fully apparent only when viewed from the skies above. As we delve deeper into the mystery of the Rll Man, we find more questions than answers. To this day, there is no concrete evidence or a clear claim of responsibility for its creation, leaving us to ponder on the hows and whys of its existence. The geoglyph's massive scale and its location in a remote stretch of the outback add layers to the enigma, challenging our imaginations and begging the question, how could such a feat have been accomplished so discreetly? The theories regarding the origins of the Rll Man are as varied as they are fascinating. Some point to artists seeking a grand canvas, while others speculate on the possibility of an elaborate prank. Yet, without definitive proof, these theories remain in the realm of speculation, and the Rll Man retains its status as a captivating mystery. This remarkable creation continues to draw in both locals and visitors alike, standing as a testament to the allure of the unexplained and the power of mystery to capture our imaginations. Its origins may be shrouded in secrecy, but the Rll Man remains an indelible part of Australia's cultural landscape, a fascinating enigma etched in stone and surrounded by the whispers of the outback winds. Number 4. Devil's Mystery Kettle. Nestled within the captivating expanse of Judge C.R. Magny State Park in Minnesota lies the Devil's Kettle, a geological marvel shrouded in mystery and steeped in intrigue. At the heart of this natural wonder is a unique waterfall along the Rll River, where the waters take a mysterious turn, with half disappearing into a vast hole, leaving onlookers and scientists baffled. As the Rll River makes its journey through ancient volcanic rock formations, it splits into two distinct paths. One channel gracefully continues downstream, embodying the typical journey of a waterfall. Yet, its counterpart takes a more mysterious route, plunging into the Devil's Kettle and vanishing without a trace, challenging our understanding of nature's workings. Despite extensive research and numerous expeditions to uncover the secrets of the Devil's Kettle, its enigma remains intact. The path of the water, once it enters the kettle, has eluded definitive discovery. Various theories have surfaced in an attempt to demystify this natural phenomenon. Some posit the existence of an intricate underground river or a network of hidden caves responsible for diverting the water. Others speculate on the potential of a concealed tunnel leading all the way to the shores of Lake Superior. Yet, these remain theories, with the water's ultimate destination still a mystery. The allure of the Devil's Kettle has not gone unnoticed, drawing in both the curious and the scientific community. In a bid to unravel its mysteries, researchers have conducted numerous experiments, dropping objects like colored dyes and GPS-tracked devices into the kettle, hoping to chart the course of the disappearing water. However, these endeavors have only deepened the mystery, as results have been inconclusive and the kettle continues to guard its secrets closely. This geological conundrum presents a captivating puzzle, beckoning visitors and scientists alike to explore and ponder. The Devil's Kettle stands as a testament to the enduring allure of the unknown and the enigmatic forces of nature, inviting us to question, to wonder, and to marvel at the mysteries it holds. Number 5. Dyatlov Pass Incident Photos. In the heart of the Ural Mountains, a chilling mystery unfolds, rooted in the tragic events of the Dyatlov Pass incident in 1959. 9 seasoned hikers, led by Igor Dyatlov, found themselves in an unthinkable situation, ultimately meeting their demise under circumstances shrouded in enigma. The puzzle pieces of this story are scattered, and we're left to piece them together through haunting photographic evidence. These photos, frozen moments in time, chronicle the group's journey through the snow-clad wilderness, capturing their camaraderie and unyielding determination. Yet, as we delve deeper into the photographic reel, a sinister turn of events comes to light. The group's tent, slashed from the inside, stands abandoned, an ominous sign of a frantic escape. What could have possibly driven them to leave their shelter without proper gear, into the frigid embrace of the night? The mystery deepens as we examine the photographs of the hikers' final footprints, a chaotic dance in the snow. Some are barefoot, hinting at the extreme distress that clouded their final moments. Weeks later, their bodies were discovered, strewn across the snowy landscape, some bearing signs of severe trauma. Broken ribs, fractured skulls, the silent witnesses to their enigmatic end. What transpired on that ill-fated night? Was it the ruthless force of nature, an avalanche, or the biting cold of hypothermia? Or was it something more sinister, a confrontation with unknown forces, or the disorienting effects of infrasound? Theories abound, yet the truth remains elusive. The photographs taken by the Dyatlov group serve as a haunting testament, a window into their final journey. They document not only the group's unwavering resolve but also the mysterious circumstances that led to their untimely demise. As we delve into this enigma, we invite you to join us, to ponder and speculate, and perhaps, to inch closer to unraveling the mystery of the Dyatlov Pass incident. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. As the intriguing image on your screen unravels, it reveals beings soaring effortlessly above a building, sparking curiosity and awe. This captivating visual is not an isolated instance. It adds to a collection of photographs that have stirred global intrigue, hinting at the possibility of humans possessing superpowers. The allure of extraordinary abilities, be it flight or telekinesis, has been a recurrent theme in fiction, gracing the pages of comics and the scenes of blockbuster movies. The concept is undeniably exhilarating, but it invites us to draw a clear line between the fantastical realms of fiction and the grounding reality we inhabit. In the tangible world, our capabilities are bound by the unyielding laws of nature. Despite leaps in scientific innovation, superhuman powers remain beyond our grasp. Yet, the fascination with superpowers isn't without merit. It stems from a deep-seated desire to break free from our limitations, to explore untapped reservoirs of potential. While we may not possess superhuman strength or the ability to defy gravity, our capacity for learning, growth, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible is nothing short of extraordinary. The human spirit, resilient and unyielding, has propelled us to remarkable heights, even in the absence of mystical powers. This brings us to a thought-provoking question. Could there be a select few among us, endowed with incredible abilities? Have you ever encountered someone who made you question the limits of human potential? Number 6. Falcon Lake Incident. Venturing back to May 1967, we find ourselves amidst the dense woods near Falcon Lake, Manitoba, Canada, where Stephen Micak, an amateur prospector, stumbled upon an encounter that would etch itself into the annals of UFO history. The Falcon Lake Incident, as it came to be known, stands out as one of the most meticulously documented and intriguing UFO encounters on Canadian soil. Micak narrated a harrowing tale of encountering two cigar-shaped objects piercing the sky. As one descended closer, it revealed its saucer shape, complete with a unique grid of holes adorning its exterior. Driven by curiosity, Micak approached, only to be met with a sudden blast of hot gas, leaving his clothes aflame and his body bearing burns and symptoms akin to radiation sickness. The allure of this incident lies not just in Mackay's vivid account, but in the tangible evidence he brought forth. From detailed sketches of the UFO and the mysterious hieroglyphics on its surface, to samples of his charred clothing and melted metal objects retrieved from the site, Micak provided a treasure trove of evidence, all radiating high levels of radioactivity. The Falcon Lake incident sparked curiosity and scrutiny, attracting the attention of both Canadian and American investigative authorities. Despite their efforts, a concrete explanation eluded them, leaving the incident shrouded in mystery and a subject of fascination for UFO enthusiasts and skeptics alike. Skeptics have spun various theories in attempts to demystify the encounter, yet the Falcon Lake incident continues to captivate, remaining a pivotal point in the ongoing discourse surrounding UFO encounters and their profound, often perplexing, impact on those who bear witness to them. What are your thoughts on this baffling incident? Could there be elements we've overlooked, or is there a rational explanation yet to be unveiled? Share your insights and join the conversation. Number 7. The Hesteland Lights. In the secluded Hesteland Valley of Norway, an enigmatic light show plays out in the night sky, captivating both scientists and UFO enthusiasts alike. These are the Hesteland Lights, a series of unpredictable and colorful displays that have eluded definitive explanation since their first reported appearance in the early 1980s. These lights, manifesting as vibrant orbs or sudden flashes, dart, hover, and flicker, creating a captivating visual spectacle. The lights are noted for their varied hues, displaying a spectrum from white and yellow to red and blue, and their sizes are just as diverse. However, it's their capricious behavior that truly sets them apart and deepens the mystery. They might grace the night sky for mere seconds or linger for hours, and just as you think you've pinned them down, they vanish, potentially reappearing elsewhere. A myriad of scientific expeditions have sought to unravel the mysteries of the Hesteland Lights. Researchers, armed with an arsenal of equipment including cameras, spectrometers, and magnetometers, have proposed numerous hypotheses. Could geological activity be at play here? Or perhaps piezoelectric effects, ionized gases, or unique atmospheric conditions are the culprits. Yet, none of these theories fully encapsulate the light's intricate nature. Project Hesteland, initiated in the early 2000s, represents a concerted effort to demystify these phenomena. By establishing continuous monitoring systems, free from the glare of urban lights, researchers have endeavored to capture and scrutinize the light's every move. What are these elusive lights? A natural marvel? Or could they be something more? The quest for answers continues, and the Hesteland Lights remain a bewitching enigma, challenging our understanding and igniting our curiosity. What's your take on this mysterious phenomenon? Have you ever witnessed anything similar? Number 8. Cburg UFO Incident. On December 9, 1965, the small town of Cburg, Pennsylvania, became the epicenter of a mystery that has persisted for decades, the Cburg UFO Incident, often dubbed Pennsylvania's Roswell. The events of that day have left an indelible mark on the town's history and continue to fuel debates and investigations in the UFO community. That winter evening, locals and eyewitnesses were stunned as a fiery, acorn-shaped object illuminated the sky, cutting a swift path before crashing into the nearby woods. The incident took a dramatic turn when military personnel rapidly descended upon the area, cordoning it off and leaving the community buzzing with questions and theories. Witnesses were adamant. What they saw was no ordinary object. And yet, the U.S. government's official stance presented a starkly different narrative. Authorities declared that the mysterious object was nothing more than a Soviet satellite, a re-entry vehicle from the Cosmos 96 mission, to be precise. However, this explanation fell short for many, as the acorn-like shape of the object bore no resemblance to a typical re-entry vehicle. Additionally, the Cyrillic markings, which would have been present on a Soviet satellite, were conspicuously absent according to witness accounts. To this day, the Cburg incident stands as a tantalizing enigma, a source of ongoing intrigue for UFO enthusiasts, researchers, and skeptics alike. Was it a government cover-up of an extraterrestrial visitation, as some firmly believe? Or is there a more terrestrial explanation yet to be uncovered? Regardless of which side of the debate you find yourself on, the Cburg UFO incident remains a captivating chapter in the annals of UFO phenomena and unexplained mysteries. Number 9. Circleville Letters. In the quiet town of Circleville, Ohio, the late 1970s and early 1980s bore witness to a chilling saga that still echoes through its streets today. The Circleville Letters. A series of disturbing, handwritten notes began to find their way into the hands of residents, weaving a web of intimidation and fear. The letters were highly personal, laden with threats and containing intimate knowledge of the recipients' lives, information that seemed impossible for an outsider to know. The range of targets was wide, spanning from school bus drivers to local officials and ordinary citizens, leaving no corner of the community untouched by the mysterious author's reach. As the letters grew in intensity, they began to demand change and confessions from those on the receiving end, threatening severe repercussions for non-compliance. One of the most haunting chapters in this perplexing mystery surrounds Mary Gillespie. As a school bus driver and recipient of these ominous letters, she found herself in a harrowing car accident in 1977, an incident the anonymous author claimed responsibility for. Her husband, Ron, took it upon himself to uncover the truth, a quest that ended in his tragic and suspicious demise. Despite exhaustive investigations and the community's desperate search for answers, the identity of the author remained shrouded in mystery. The Circleville Letters case, unresolved to this day, stands as a sinister and captivating enigma. It draws true crime aficionados and conspiracy theorists alike, all seeking to unravel the threads of this unsettling narrative. The questions linger, the theories abound, but the truth remains elusive, hidden in the shadows of small-town America. What do you think? Was it a disturbed individual, or could there be more to the story? Number 10. Red Rain of Kerala. Have you ever heard about the red rain phenomenon in Kerala, India? It's a truly mystifying event that has left scientists scratching their heads and the general public utterly fascinated for years. Picture this. You're in the lush, vibrant state of Kerala, and suddenly, the rain begins to fall. But this is no ordinary rain, it's red. Yes, you heard that right, red rain, staining everything it touches, from clothes and buildings to the foliage. This rare meteorological and biological marvel first made its documented appearance on July 25, 2001, and it didn't just happen once. The red rain came and went over several months. So, what's behind this peculiar precipitation? It turns out, the red rain is teeming with microscopic particles, which lend the water its unique, rouge tint. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Within these particles, unusual biological cells were discovered, intensifying the mystery and sparking a flurry of hypotheses. Some scientists suggest that these tiny travelers hitched a ride with atmospheric dust and particulates, lifted high into the sky by powerful winds and eventually becoming the nuclei for raindrops. But, of course, it's not that simple. The exact origin and nature of these particles are still hot topics of discussion and research in the scientific community. Now, let's delve into one of the most captivating aspects of this phenomenon: the discovery of biological cells within the particles. Could they possibly be of extraterrestrial origin? This theory aligns with the concept of panspermia, which proposes the idea that life can hitch a ride across space, traveling on dust particles or meteorites. What do you think? Could the red rain of Kerala be a celestial delivery, a sprinkle of life from above? Share your thoughts and join the conversation about this enigmatic event. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.